Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Well, today it was the day we hit 1,000 subscribers and I cannot believe that. I was busy at work and I had a message from a friend of mine saying you're on 998 and I'm like, wow, this is really good. Thinking, it'd be really good if we can get it before we get home and it'll be awesome. But no, we hit 1,000 subscribers before we could even get home from work, which, mind blown, absolute mind blown. I can't put into words how that feels for me, because for me starting this channel was a big deal. It's personally boosted my confidence to just go look at something and go, oh heck, give it a go. What's going to happen? You're either going to have to do it again, or you're going to have to ask for someone for help, or you might waste a little bit of money on something because you've made a mess of it or you've not quite done it right. But for me, it's massively boosted my confidence in that way. The 89 wouldn't be where it is now. The budget clubman, I wouldn't have gone like, let's really try and set a quite harsh target and go for it. But it's you guys commenting. It's the feeling I get when the videos get all the views they do, and the comments we get, the people coming to see me at shows and chatting to me about it. You genuinely feel like you're giving something back, and that is the main reason I set up this. I wanted to give something back because I've been within the mini community for now 15 years and I've had so much from it. I've learned so much from it. I've known people through it. I still know a lot of people through it, and I get really stressed out with minis sometimes, but they are a big part of me and part of my life. A lot of what has happened within my main sort of aspects of my life have been through minis, so I can't knock them, can I? I can't knock it at all, and this is just another aspect to that. Everything you guys have given me as in feedback is just, it's so, I can't think of words for it. I'll stop going on about that now, but thanks. It's the best thing I can say, just thank you so much for that. Before we get on to the actual giveaway, obviously I'll be putting in the URL and be selecting someone at random for the prize. I wanted to say how I actually feel like I've got to know you guys through all the comments. Now, the target was on the comments was your dream car or car you'd love to own, and what you've seen on the channel you like, or what you'd like to see on the channel. So I left the second one really as a 50-50, what would you like to put on there. Now, I've had some great feedback on there. I've had some quite funny feedback. So for the people out there that don't like me saying chuffed, well, I'm dead chuffed today. I'm really sorry about that. But but there's been some feedback and some really exotic, rare cars, and some cars that I personally, for me, I grew up with. So I sort of took them for granted a little bit, like Ford Sierras, Mark 3 and 4 Escorts. All my friends' parents had those. My parents had those. It's cars like that you sort of feel like, wow, they're 20 years old now, those cars. And yeah, it's got my whole head going of all these different cars out there that obviously aren't just minis. And quite a few people did comment, Mark 1 Cooper S and GTs and stuff like that, and minivans, and yeah, they're all out there for me, all those sort of cars. So for me, I will answer, if anyone's wondering what my dream car is, my absolute dream car is a Shelby Mustang GT500 Eleanor, basically. And yes, you could say, everyone wants that as their dream car. That really got me going as a kid. That really got my petrol head thoughts going. I love that shape of Ford Mustang. 67, 68 Mustang is, to me, just absolutely spot on. It's muscle car, it's elegant, it sounds beautiful, and yes, it's not that fast really in the grand scheme of things now, and yes, they don't handle very well, but what American cars really do handle that well without a lot of work, it's the car. It's how that car, I've seen them at shows, they're very rare, and a lot of them are replicas obviously, but that for me, it's just that look of it. So that's my absolute dream car. My car that is hundreds of thousands of pounds out of my price range. But if I was to go for a practical dream car, I own it. I've got a minivan, and growing up as a kid, getting into minis, I always wanted a minivan. It's the goal I always wanted for having minis is a minivan. I used to watch Heartbeat with my grandparents and my dad, and the minivan was, I wanted something I could go and park in Goathland in front of Scripps Garage and go, I've got a car from Heartbeat. Now it might sound sad to some people, but that's my dream car, and I own it. I've just not been able to start on it yet. So obviously it will come to the channel as soon as cars are done. So 89's our main priority. The Budget Clubman's sort of hanging on in there in the background, and obviously the other two we're going to keep on the road as well. So, but yeah, if anyone was wondering, that's my dream cars if I had to pick. As in for suggestions you guys are giving me, I've taken all of it on board. Positive, there's some negatives there, you know, like sometimes some people said they want longer videos. That's fine. With all my videos I try to keep them 10 to 15 minutes because I feel like that's quite a good time. You know, if I was to watch a video, I quite like that sort of timings of videos. But if you guys want to see longer ones, I can get longer videos in there, it's not a problem. There's jobs that are going to take longer and stuff like that. So just bearing with me there. I will have shorter videos, there will be longer videos. I do try to document as much of each job as I can without boring you guys, because that would be a shame, wouldn't it? So going on from that, let's get stuck into that giveaway. Right guys, so here's the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm really excited to do this as well. The comments have been absolutely phenomenal. So the video URL is in there. So click get comments. And we've got 72 unique comments on that video. So if we move over to here, so now it's picking. And the winner is Mark Carter. Now, his dream car was a Lotus Europa, and an A-Series gearbox rebuild is something he would like to see. Now, Mark, that is something I'd also like to have a go at. Now, mechanically, I do have bare minimum knowledge, really, but it is something I would like to do. Well, put it this way, the sidewalk needs a gearbox overhaul, so it's going to be absolutely perfect for that. Once again, thank you for everyone that's contributed to this giveaway. Mark, please, obviously I'll now go and find your comment and I'll prompt you again, and we'll work out the logistics of it all, and we'll get your t-shirt and stickers over to you. Right, and you've just seen there, the winner is Mark Carter. Lotus Europa, what a car. That is a car I'd love. I'd love to have on some fast roads, but I'd also love to have on a track. Yeah, Lotus is one of those cars where a lot of people see the unreliable side of it from back in their old days, but if you really like your British cars and you really like your fast cars and cars that handle, I'm sorry, a Lotus is definitely up there for me. So awesome choice, Mark, with that. Yeah, I completely agree with you with that one. And as for wanting to see a gearbox rebuild, like I've just mentioned, the sidewalks, gearbox will need a bit of attention soon. Whatever engine I choose to maybe go in the Budget Clubman, that may need a little bit of work as well. But if I get the chance to maybe get stuck in with a gearbox, or at least assist someone maybe to learn myself, because mechanically that is stuff I want to improve on myself, I'll definitely bring it to the channel. So I can't tell you when that's going to be, unfortunately, but you know, stick with us and I will try and bring it to the channel as much, as quickly as I possibly can for you. But yeah, all the other suggestions everyone's put out there, I've been noting all down. I've got a Word document, things you'd like to see, I put them down, and obviously if it's something I can definitely do for you guys, I'm going to bring it to you as soon as possible. Stuff that I'm like, not too sure, like Kevin from the Gentleman's Motorsport, yeah, maybe won't be doing that video, so sorry about that, mate. But yeah, everything else I'm going to try and bring to you guys. It's awesome feedback. It's perfect. It's exactly what you want. So as for the rest of the channel, it's going to continue with the two builds as we got for now. Coming up in May, I've got a green laning day with my stepdad. So the Land Rover 90 is coming back to the channel. I'm trying my best to arrange a time with my brother to get the Mustang on the channel, because so many of you have asked for the Mustang. I personally can't wait to drive it again, because it's awesome. Well, you've just heard my dream car is a Ford Mustang, so I can't wait to drive that thing again, and to bring it to you guys is going to be absolutely awesome. But yeah, if there's anything like you would like to see or in videos, just comment in any of my videos below, because to me, any sort of comment, or even if it's a criticism, I take it all on board. There's no point in beating around the bush. Let's just let's level it out and just sort it out. If there's something you're not liking or something you want to see, let's just bring it to you guys, because at the end of the day, it's you guys that are watching that I want to keep happy, and it's me documenting it that I'm trying to do to bring it to you. So yeah, it's all one big circle that hopefully we can all work with. So thanks again for everyone that took part in the giveaway. It's awesome. and there will be more giveaways, so I'm already working on the next one, so we'll see how that one goes. But yeah, as for now, 89, obviously we're getting the panels hopefully sorted for that soon, and the budget clubbing's just continue in the background. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching. Catch you in the next one, and well done Mark Carter for that. Please, as I say, drop in the comments below and we'll get you sorted out with your t-shirt and your 2 stickers. Right, I'll stop going on now. Thanks again everyone, catch you in the next one. So also just quickly before I go, some of you might have seen my little Heartbeat sticker there. I've actually got that from obviously the birthplace of Heartbeat in Goathland, and before I actually do finish the video, I will just drop in a picture of my minivan. It will be coming to the channel very soon. I literally know how I want it to look, so you'll have to wait for that one. There'll be definitely engine work involved in that, and there'll be quite a bit of underneath anyway restoration. There's also a few challenges on it because there's different things on that. It's obviously got the exterior hinges and things like that, and it needs a big roof repair. But I'll drop these pictures in at the end, and that'll be all from me now. Thanks again guys, bye bye.